Unemployment fraud is a major problem here in Nevada. Getting information about it is a challenge. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy searched for information and answers and joins us now live with more on what she found. Vanessa.
Brian, while many Nevadans need their unemployment money, fraudsters are stealing it, and DETR is releasing few details about this major problem.
My operations director opened the mail and it was a filed unemployment application with my name on it.
This is the document Debbie Ritchie received. She's the CEO of Body Spa Group.
Did you ever file for unemployment this year?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's my company.
She says she didn't receive unemployment money either.
I had to have had my Social Security number and knew where I worked.
She called the Department of Employment Training and Rehabilitation, or DETR, to report fraud.
Ring, 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 ring.
She says she hasn't been able to reach anyone.
It's alarming because if this is happening, what else is happening?
The I-Team reached out to DETR, and a spokeswoman said fraud can be reported on the website, claims will be investigated by staff, and DETR may or may not follow up to get more information. Ritchie's director of operations for the Salon Group describes the website as confusing.
It's crazy. I don't know what's happening. Nothing's making sense anymore.
So how many unemployment claims are believed to be fraudulent? In a letter asking the U.S. Inspector General for an investigation into DETR, Republican state leaders wrote that DETR recently reported up to 185,000 possibly fraudulent jobless claims, costing the state millions of taxpayer dollars. When the I-Team asked DETR and the governor's office for more information, details were not provided. So we reached out to local communities, because while information is being stolen from workers at private businesses like Ritchie's, public employee info is also being stolen. Clark County reports 203 employees victimized. The city of Las Vegas reports 50 fraudulent claims. Henderson reports 100 for March alone. North Las Vegas reports 74, and Boulder City 45. The I-Team has also learned information has been stolen from at least 17 Metro employees.
It just seems like there's no control anymore of anything.
Ritchie says she contacted the credit bureaus and she's keeping a close eye on her bank accounts.
Our number one concern is to stay safe, but second, with all the fraud going on, it's just you really got to pay attention to what you get in the mail.
Ritchie's next move is to contact the Attorney General's office, which is accepting complaints. There is a task force for COVID-19 related crimes like unemployment fraud, but sources tell me there is some confusion about which agencies are investigating this. For example, Metro does not have access to DETR systems, and their investigators have not been provided the number of fraudulent claims. We do know Metro's digital forensic investigators are working with DETR, though, to investigate that Metro employee fraud.
But we're listening there about the investigations and looking into it. Have there actually been any arrests?
Brian, we have not heard about many, but I can tell you in June, a Las Vegas woman was arrested after the feds say she used 40 stolen identities to collect $170,000 in unemployment money. Look, I know that is frustrating for our viewers to hear, since so many of them are waiting for their unemployment money. We do have some information at 8newsnow.com on how to protect yourself, some resources there. Back